पळयला आसतलें हांगा 2 पुलिसांच्यो बसी आसल्यो पळयल्या तुमी हांगा फाटल्यान
आम्ही इतलो दवरला
आनी आमी आसा 5-6 जाण आनी थंय तिच्या चेंबराचे भायर PI लेवलाचे पुलीस आनी 7-8 कॉन्स्टेबल आमी खंय आसा तें म्हाका कळना आमी गोंया आसा काय आनी खंय आसा तें हो सरकार सामको कन्फ्युजनान पडला हेतूंतल्यान सिद्ध जाता की 2 बसी पुलीस आमी 6 जाण आनी थंय वयर एक पोजे ऑफ पुलीसमॅन गार्डिंग हर चेंबर हें कितें चल्लां म्हणजे आमकां इंटिमिडेट करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो अशें दिसता हितून सरकार कन्फ्युजनान पडला आमी कन्फ्युजनान पडोंक ना आमी व्हेरी क्लियर आसा कितें आमी आमचो डिमांड आसा तो आनी नॉन डिवेलपेबल एरियाज पळय म्हणून काडला NDA हो NDA कॉन्सेप्ट कोणें काडलो तोय आमी प्रश्न केला तेका म्हणजे कोणाच्याच कडल्यान स्टार्ट जालो ती म्हणटा बोर्ड 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 इज बिगर दॅन द गव्हर्मेंट अशें दिसपाक लागला म्हणजे सगळ्यांक बोर्डूच करता सो बोर्डूच जर करता आनी सरकारान कित्याक जाय
चेअरमॅन ऑफ द बोर्ड इज द मिनिस्टर.
तुम्ही इनाफ आणि सोसून येतो टॅगलायन तुम्ही सोशिता
outcome is not issue but
government speaking is granted. Government speaking for is granted.
See, government is not taking us for granted. They know what the effect is. But there is a problem in the government. Everybody knows what the problem is. So even though in private conversations the ministers agree with us, there is a problem with the town and country planning minister. The whole country knows it. Everybody knows it. So we will have to wait. And in a democratic society, the government takes wrong decisions. There are only 2 upays. One is you go to the High Court or one you come on the streets. So enough is come on the streets. They are not in the High Court. They are come on the streets. So what enough is enough will do in the coming days, only they will decide. Because there is a core committee and there is a task force. And only, as I said, temporary problem is convener is not in station. So when the convener comes, some action will resume. But you are right in asking. Sosta tumi, bharpur sosta tu. But I'm saying if you look at everything in this country, people are suffering a lot. No, it is not only 32A, 39A, or everywhere they are suffering. Whether it is the roads having potholes, or whether it's the corruption in all the departments. Everywhere people are suffering. So the only time people can take their anger out is during the elections. And the elections are going to come and go within the next 6 months. You are going to wait.
sit yeah
No, they are not. Yeah, our program is irrespective of even after the elections. We do not know what the new government will do. Because we have question, we have vyapara change. This is business. Land use change is business. So when the minister comes, whoever the minister comes, he takes town planning portfolio because of business. So even if some other government comes, we are sure that he will be there on the street to ensure that they do things right.
no guarantee.
There is no guarantee. There is no guarantee.
so sir you said that it is a business but there is a no full stop for the business but still the things is going on so after you are putting the objection also it is going on still the NVC is giving
Objections there, court notices are there, petitions are there, orders have been passed by Supreme Court, but we are helpless in that sense. We have got to follow certain laws. You've seen what happened in the demonstration that took place after the NEET resignation of the minister. Somebody holds a placard about overturning, automatically it becomes a big issue. We are proceeding in a proper legal way. We don't want anything to distract from the agitation. Our agitation is focused. 39A Kara, do not touch the Union plan. And we will fight and we are sure that we will succeed. And why should we bother 16A, 16B, no? 16B चे ताणे कितले एप्लिकेशन ताणे अप्रूव केले तांचे कितें जालें ते सगळे रद्द जाले ते बास्केटान घातले 17-2 again how many applications were entertained all of them lost so 39A also people will lose and FAR and height relaxation that also they have already agreed that we will not approve anything more because there are no rules and guidelines
But they don't get the application for 16
so that we know we have got the tables, we have got the tables of all the conversions under 16B, 17, 239 हे सगळे आहा आमच्याकडे सगळे आहा सगळे टॅब्युलेटेड डेटा आम्ही सगळे आता इंटरनेटात घालता आणि लोकांक सांगता पळय हो सगळे नंबर चेंज केला तुमच्या गांवांनी कितें तरी कोण बिल्डींग बांदता कितें कन्स्ट्रक्शन करता आमकां इन्फॉर्म कर आणि आम्ही तुरंत आम्ही हायकोर्टात घेतले we cannot make 700 people parties or 1000 people parties in the petition. But we can only make those people who are actually changing the land use by putting a construction. Then only we can approach the court. We cannot change law. Court will not strike down the law. Because court is court and assembly is assembly.
So who is going to keep an eye on this case?
We are there, no. Enough campaign is there, no. And we are, as long as Justice Ribello is alive, all these people are youngsters. We will keep. There is a group in Goa which has steadily continued working to protect Goa's interests. Sometimes it is at village level, like Chumel. Sometimes it's like Tarapur, like Swapnish. Everywhere there are people at village level who are continuously fighting these issues, and they will continue to fight. They are not going to go up. Any government that comes, they will know that they cannot do things on their own and they cannot alter regional plan and they cannot permit and endorse the destruction of Goa. That message is very clear.
Thank you.
गोवा त्यांना 15 दिवसांचो टायम दिल्लो त्या प्रमाणे आज 15 दीस जाले बरोबर आमी हांगा येयले आमकां एक्चुली प्रोसेस कितें जाला हेची चवकशी करपाची आसा तो प्रोसेस आमकां अपेक्षीत आसलो गव्हर्मेंट सदांच ते डिले करपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो त्या खातीर एक RTI एप्लिकेशन आमी सबमीट केल्लें आसा तितूंतल्यान आमकां डिटेल्स मेळटली की फायल मुवमेंट कसो जाल्लो आसा मीनवायल आतां आमी हिंगा मिटिंगाक आज आमची परत मिटींग जातली आणि साधारणपणे आता असेंब्ली ह्या महिन्याच्या एंडाक शेड्यूल जाल्ली आसा सो ह्या असेंब्ली पयलीं कितें तरी तर्फे प्रतिक्रिया येतली आतां आमकां मॅडमीन सांगलां की सुनीमीन सांगलां की फुडल्या आठवड्यात कदाचित आमकां उत्तर मेळटलें म्हणून आमच्या मिटिंगेक आनी आमी कदाचित जर आज येवंक नासलें जाल्यार तें आनीक डिले जातलें जाल्यार कदाचित असेंब्ली जायतरी आमकां मेळचें नासलें एक गोश्ट आमी एन्श्योर केल्ली आसा आतांच्या हेतूंतल्यान की बाबा आमकां फुडल्या विकान साधारणपणे हेजें उत्तर मेळोंक जाय जें आमी तांकां सगळें सबमीट केल्लें आसा तेजें प्लस आमी फायल मुवमेंटूय आमी ताका हें करूं जाय की बाबा तेंच्यांनी फायल मुवमेंट सिरियसली कितलो केला तेच्या खातीर RTI सबमीट केल्लें आसा आनी आज आमची मिटींग जातली त्या नंतर आमी ठरयतलें की फुडें मागीर हो इशू कसो हँडल करपाचो पूण 39A जें कॅन्सल जावपाक जाय पळय तें कॅन्सल जातलें जशें सरान सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे आनी तेच्या खातीर इनाफ हे सामके प्रयत्न करतले आनी लोक आमच्या वांगडा आसा तुमी फाटल्या फावटी पळयलां आसतलें 17 तारखेक हांगासर जवळ जवळ 600 लोक येयले आमचे एका उलो आमचो आयकले आनी लोक इतले येयले की 600 सुमार सायनी आमी कलेक्ट करून आमचे 600 सायनीचे रेप्रेझेंटेशन थंय सबमीट जालां सो दे हॅव टू लिसन
पासवर्डचा प्रोजेक्ट केला पयलीं लोक अप्रोच जाल्ले आहा पासवर्डाचो प्रोजेक्ट केला
म्हणजे आमी कशें आसता
तुमचो अप्रोच जाल्या काय
तशें न्ही आमी ओवरऑल सगळ्या प्रोजेक्टाक म्हणजे 39 एकर्स जाल्यार सगळ्यांक लागू जातली एक इंडिविज्युअल प्रोजेक्ट आतां येतले आनी ते आमकां मेळटले आनी तेंकाच आमी हें करतले ते जावचें ना 39 एकर्स करतले आनी सगळे कडेन करतले इतले अप्रोच बीन
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर